Good morning everyone. Welcome to ASL class. Today we are going to discuss Unit 8 Hello Sunshine. Look at page number 51, warm up 1. Look at the chart and match the weather with the cities. Look at the above chart and match the weather with the cities given in the box. Now listen to the audio.
Unit 8 Listening. You are going to listen to the weather forecast for Delhi. As you listen, tick the correct statements and put a cross against the incorrect statements. Before you listen, read the statements in your book. Good morning. It's the 6th of January. Here's today's weather forecast for the Delhi area. The cold wave across North India seems to be worsening. It's the coldest morning of the season in Delhi so far. The temperature is 1.9 degrees Celsius in the capital, which is 5 degrees below normal. There is a thick fog in some parts of the city, and the visibility is poor. In the middle of the day, the sun may break through and the temperature could rise to 12 degrees in some parts of the city. In the evening, it will turn cold again and the temperature will fall to 2 degrees Celsius during the night. According to the Met Department, the cold wave is expected to continue and the temperature may drop by another degree over the next 2 days. If the weather condition becomes worse, schools in the city will be closed for a few days. However, the weather is expected to improve by next week and days will begin to get warmer. That's all from the weather desk for now. We'll be back again at noon with the next weather bulletin.
Look at page number 52, helpful tips. The weather and the climate of a place are two different things. The weather changes over short periods of time, minutes to months, while climate is the weather of an area over long periods of time, many years. Now, listen, read and recite.
Unit 8 Listen, read, and recite. Listen to the poem, The Rain. Then, read and recite it using the correct expression.
Pitter-patter raindrops falling from the sky. Here is my umbrella to keep me safe and dry. When the rain is over and the sun begins to glow, little flowers start to bud and grow and grow and grow.
Now, look at page number 53, get it right A and B and listen to the audio.
Unit 8 Get it right. A. Listen to these sentences carefully. It's the 6th of January. Here's today's weather forecast. Now, listen to the chant and repeat it. To see it in a fraction, she is becomes she's. Use a little contraction. He is becomes he's. Then two words change into one. Tom is becomes Tom's. And it's a lot of fun. Tina is becomes Tina's. There is becomes theirs. It's all so easy. Where is becomes where's. Don't you agree? Unit 8
Get it right. B. Listen to the conversation between Arushi and Sharif about the weather in Chennai carefully. Then, fill in the gaps while listening to it the second time.
Hello, Arashi. How are you doing? How are things in Chennai? I am doing well, Sharif. But the weather's getting worse here. This is going to be the hottest summer recorded yet. Oh no! How bad is it? The temperature is rising every day. We've been advised not to step out of the house in the afternoon. That sounds bad. You must be cooped up in the house with the AC on. Yes, pretty much. The air's very humid. So, we're sweating excessively too. That's how our body gets dehydrated. Remember to drink lots of water. When is it expected to get better? Monsoon rains are expected to hit Chennai by Friday next week. It will definitely cool down the city. That's good news. I'm sure things will get better soon.
Look at page number 55, Language Help. Here are some words which are describing the weather, asking about the weather, predicting the weather and effects of bad weather.
Unit 8. Listen and read aloud. Listen and read aloud. Listen to the day's weather forecast from Abhay at Shimla Today channel. Then read it aloud with correct tone and pronunciation.
It is a cold morning in Shimla. The temperature is expected to stay as low as 5 degrees Celsius until mid-morning. We might also expect some light rains, so don't forget to take your umbrella with you if you are stepping out. By noon, things should be looking up. There'll be some sunshine in the early afternoon in most parts, with temperatures reaching 15 degrees Celsius by late afternoon. It'll be a warm, dry evening with much higher temperature than the cold nights we've been having over the last week. The good news is that the warm weather is going to last for the weekend. Saturday will be warm and dry with a maximum temperature of 18 degrees Celsius. Sunday should be even hotter with a maximum temperature of 21 degrees Celsius in the afternoon. It looks like summer's finally on its way. So, let's go out and make the most of the sunshine.
Look at speaking. Adam telephones his friend Saira to wish her for Christmas. After greeting each other, they talk about the weather in their cities. You should write a conversation between Saira and Adam describing their weather condition in their cities, looking at the pictures given below. Look at page number 56, more practice. The pictures below show that what happened in Mumbai during the monsoon season in 2017. Razia was in Mumbai at that time. She describes the scenes to her friends Megha and Roy, who ask many questions. Write the description in your rough book. Look at B. Discussing in groups of 4. You are the member of a group called Keep the Area Clean. Your group plans to clean the 2 parks in your area tomorrow, but you are not sure what the weather will be like next morning. Try to guess what the weather will be like and also plan what you will do if it changes suddenly. Write it in your rough book. Now, listen to the audio, listen and tell.
Unit 8. Listen and tell. Listen to this picture story while looking at the pictures carefully. Then, retell the story in your words by looking at only the pictures. Once upon a time, the earth became completely dry. There was no winter, spring, or autumn. It stayed summer all the time. There was no water or ice left. There was no grass left to eat. The animals wondered what to do. One day, Polar Bear had an idea. Let's go to Skyland and ask Sky Woman for help. So the animals traveled for many days and nights. They followed the road leading to the edge of the sea and then high up in the sky. The animals finally reached the Sky Woman's house and asked for her help. Please help us. We are the animals from the earth. The Sky Woman came out and asked them about their problems. It is too hot on the earth. There is no water to drink, there is no air to breathe, and there is only dry brown grass to eat. The Sky Woman went into her house and returned with 3 small bags. Open these bags after reaching the earth. The animals thanked her and returned to the earth. Back on the earth, the animals opened the first bag. Out of the first bag came the winds. The grass swayed. The old leaves fell off the trees. Out of the second bag came rain and fog. The animals danced with joy. Hooray! Now we have water to drink and delicious green grass to eat. Finally, out of the last bag came soft white snow that quickly filled the air and covered the ground. From that day, the earth has 4 seasons: winter, spring, summer, and autumn. And all the animals have water to drink, food to eat, and air to breathe.
So, dear children, that's the end of today's class. Thank you, everyone. See you.